Good morning. Normally, we, being officers of the court, always talk about independence of judiciary, and when we indulge in assisting the court in rendering justice, our rights should also be protected because the independence of judiciary should be there as guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Now, the Supreme Court has given a verdict wherein they held certain principles which, if you go through it, you could understand the very features of the independence of judiciary and how it developed as a constitutional right. AR 2021, Supreme Court 3563, Somesh Chaurasya was a state of MP. 389 class 1, the suspension of sentence was granted, and pending that order, he seems to have indulged in some other offence. Despite that fact, the court has granted him bail. For that, they have they say by adopting such course, the lower high court transgressed into unusual domain and stultified administration of criminal justice. That they say. Then other one that is most important, separation of powers, that is independence of judiciary. Independence of judiciary, independent and impartial judiciary is cornerstone of democracy. Functioning of judiciary as independent institution is rooted in separation of powers. Compartmentalization of judiciary and the executive should not be breached by interfering with personal decision making of judges and the conduct of court proceedings under them. So they come heavily on the lower court. This is what you go through that Article 50, Directive Principle of Constitution, discuss about independence of judiciary. You go through that, that will be far better to answer. So before that, I want to share certain things. See, lot of people are cheating. Media is cheating the public by saying that so-and-so party voted to power, public command. But practically it is only mathematical command. If you realize the votes obtained by the government, political forming government, is lesser than the vote the population, remaining population. So that first prima facie we are due to. Then the question arises slowly. Everybody is the recent cheating I want to share. Only for that purpose I am coming. What is that? The IPL. This is not IPL sports. It is IPL serial or IPL show. Number one deception is they say it is Chennai Super Kings, but one or two Chennai players, even at least one or two players are not in the team. But we boast ourselves. This is somewhat dominant people. I can't use that word. That particular people impose on us, compelling us to, just like vaccination. And they are compelling us to have vaccination. We are doing it, we have no other go. Like that, but by imposition of that media. Finally, you kindly note, I think there is a trick in using the ball. If you would have watched the last few games, everything is on ball. Something is happening because they want to use your brain only to play games. They also are alarming you that you may be addicted to that, and you may lose finance. Still, they say you use this channel and use this 11, team 11, invest your money, all something more is there. But on the other hand, the High Court are concentrating on gambling. This is a huge hall of game. This should be have second check, and nobody is there. And for several reasons, these consumer protection organizations should concentrate on this. This bumper show, draw, you have this sort of high prices, but there should be an independent person to supervise this draw and all. Otherwise, it is also duping the public. This is what we are in a country. What is happening? After all, if the people are just watching that only for fun sake, there is no doubt about that. I am only warning the persons who are investing, gambling on this IPL game and wasting your fruitful time by shouting, chatting, everything is somewhat deceptive. And political party, lot of political parties. We do not know how they are managing. They are managing that political party only for money laundering. And I could not understand how these political parties survive. Why can't you compel for Aadhaar card for membership? And why can't you, the election commission, have a second check for their internal democratic elections? All this stuff I want to share Sunday. Okay. Best wishes.